Video, I'll demonstrate how the actual Salesforce Select element works behind the scenes, i.e. on the form builder. So in the previous video, you were able to see how it actually works on the mobile app and how it actually retrieves records from Salesforce and how you can filter it down by Salesforce lookup fields. So the Salesforce lookup fields are available on the Salesforce tab, and the Salesforce Select fields are available on the Salesforce tab as well. So this is one of the Salesforce Select elements that we've selected on our form. So if I hit edit, I can see that there are a number of options we can fill in, for example, the label of the field, and then we can choose what object these records are actually retrieved from. So here we've selected the task object. We can rename the button. So this button is displayed on a mobile app, and you can say select task or choose task or complete task, and that will then pop up a list of tasks from Salesforce. So in this example, there are no filters. So and I think in the demo video, we did put a filter where we only were showing tasks that are not completed on Salesforce. And then we can display additional fields like subject, priority, and the activity date. So these will be the extra fields that will be displayed in the list for each of the entries. So this is a simple Salesforce Select. When you drag and drop this, it will show the 10 records from the tasks that are on Salesforce. And you can change the ownership. So let's say you only want to show tasks that are assigned to a particular person, so based on ownership. If we move on to the next page, so the opportunity page, so here we actually have a Salesforce lookup. So here you are looking for an existing account on Salesforce using the lookup field. So here you would need to search for an account on Salesforce. And then the second field is the Salesforce Select that actually displays a list of opportunities. The thing that is different here from the task list, that we actually filter down these opportunities based on the account selection. So this particular ID, so this is a merge field, it replaces that field. Whenever you click on this particular Salesforce Select, it will take this record you've selected in the lookup, and it will pre-fill or merge in that record ID. So when the opportunities come back, they only come back for that particular account. In our demo video, it was Oil and Gas Corporation. And again, you can choose how many opportunities you want to return. You can add an extra filter that would say that only return open opportunities or closed opportunities. And again, you can filter this down by ownership or return all the records. The next example is campaigns. So again, very similar to the tasks. In this particular form, it returns all the campaigns that are currently on Salesforce. But what you could do is you could say active equals true. So it would only return the campaigns that are active on Salesforce. So you can add filters like that. In terms of filters, one thing to note is if you have any custom fields, please make sure that you're using the Salesforce API names and you use the __C. And then you can put in the value. So custom and then custom text. So this will allow you to filter. If you want to add multiple values, you can use the AND or the OR to filter further down for a particular record or record set you want to return. And the third is the contacts. Again, this is very similar to the opportunities. We have a Salesforce lookup here that will allow you to search for existing accounts on Salesforce. And then we have a list of contacts, and these contacts will be related to this particular account we found here in this lookup on the mobile app. And again, if we have a look at the setup, again, very similar to the opportunities, we add in a merge field. We say that the retrieved list of contacts should have in common this particular account. So, and this account then is merged in from this lookup. You can actually merge in other fields, for example, select lists. Let's say you want to, for example, for the opportunities, you want to return back the opportunities with particular staged or closed or open opportunities. So you can actually add closed or open, and then you can add that as a second merge field, and it will further filter those opportunities down. So that's possible as well. So technically, you can use any field to then add it as a merge field in the Salesforce Select. So using this same syntax. And if we jump back to the contacts again here, for the contacts, we've actually selected that we want to display some additional fields like the name, email, and the account name. So this is a Formyoula field to display the account name from the actual account that these contacts belong to. And again, we're just returning the set of just 10 records. If there are more contacts, then it will only return 10. If you want to return 20, we could just change this number. And again, we can use the ownership filter to filter down only the contacts that belong to that particular user who's using Formyoula. Okay, well, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please go to our support site. We have additional guides there, or email us support@formyoula.com. Thank you.